During Restoration period, monarchy has been re-established in England. The literature of Restoration period followed the social reaction to write from the head but not from the heart. When the writers were following the formal writing, the English literature got John Dryden, who started the heroic couplet. John Dryden's heroic couplet started a new prose style, and thus John Dryden's developed prose style, like heroic couplet, fulfilled the practical needs of Restoration period. John Dryden was born in 1631. He died in 1700. John Dryden's writing expressed the study of the facts. From John Dryden's works, we have got the tendency of realism. That means realistic tendency was there. Philosophy, social life were emphasized in John Dryden's works. Before classicism, that means before Augustan age, John Dryden's writings gave English literature an organized and very polished literature. On the death of Oliver Cromwell, John Dryden's first major poem came in 1658, and its name is Heroic Stanzas. John Dryden changed or modified William Shakespeare's The Tempest. Besides writing comedies or even tragedies, William Shakespeare's Troilus and Cressida has been modified or changed by John Dryden. John Milton's Paradise Lost has been modified by John Dryden as a rhymed version. John Milton's Paradise Lost has been titled by John Dryden The State of Innocence and the Fall of Man, after changing or modifying by John Dryden. John Dryden's All for Love is a blank verse. As a critic and a dramatist, John Dryden was successful. John Dryden impressed critics and everyone through his translation, and as I have already mentioned, as a critic as well. Finally, I'd like to mention that when you are going to talk about Restoration period, you have to mention John Dryden. And besides this, I have tried to mention some of his writings as a critic or even a dramatist and a translator as well. I did not mention all the critical writings and the translations here. So if you get time and if you think you can remember, you can read more. I think this video will help you to study or know about John Dryden's works. So take care everybody, take your preparation well.